Actually, kaya lang naman ako excited mag-feb kasi si Jiro yung kasama ko mag-feb.
Actually, I'm excited.
Kamusta naman yung mga kalandian na steps ko?
Girl, slay.
Slay mo later ah. First time mo ba mag-fem?
Yeah, it's actually my first time na mag-fem na ganda talaga.
Ay.
Na very ganon.
Flip, 2. Yeah! One and two, 3 and 4. Isa pa.
Up and down and big, 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 big. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and jump. 5 and 6, ulo, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Up and 6 and twerk and twerk.
Ano na-feel mo ngayon at tinuruan kita ng mga kalandian ko?
I feel pressured to pull it off kasi kailangan sexy talaga eh. Pero, yeah. Sana makatulong yung
Outfit.
yung outfit and the hips.
Yes.
I'm so hippie.
Mas excited ako kay Gino.
Same!
Galingan
Go
mo.
girl, I can do it. Ano?
And slow up, 8, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, and 1 and 2 and 3, and base, 6, 7, last, and 1 and 3, 4, 1 and 4, 5, and 6, 0, 4, 5.
Hi, Shants.
Hi.
How's your costume?
It's giving...
Are you Beyonce or Kardashian?
I don't know, actually. What am I?
Kabugte.
Beyonce o Jay-Z? Yan eh.
Jay-Z.
Ready tayo po?
Sabihin na ako ng kanan. Aray sa akin. Huwag ko na si Direk.
Music po muna. Sige po, mag-counting na lang muna po.
Sasabay na si Direk.
Sige po, one more. Yan, sa akin.